So, I initially was going to turn this into like a course on how to make your first game, but it's actually, I think I'm just going to make a video game out of it because it's actually a lot of fun. It was supposed to be a complete knockoff of the Mario Brothers. It's literally called Ghost Smashers. You know, Mario Brothers, Ghost Smashers. And it's like Luigi and Mario because instead of jumping on those Goombas, you jump on ghosts. And then you can see that I got the Ecto Energy up at the top. I'm going to use that as kind of like a store stuff for the local town.
Buddy, want to buy a watch?
Don't buy us. We're fakes.
And you'll be able to buy like little upgrade stuff, but not a whole lot. I want to keep the customization pretty minimal, keep it pretty much a straightforward platformer. And obviously, there's not just going to be these tiny little ghosts. I'm going to add bigger ghosts and different types, and you know, you'll be able to like throw stuff at them or just jump on them. Not a lot has been done yet. I got this little basic map that I want to fill up. But all in all, I'm pretty excited for it. Or I'm thinking kind of like an open world Mario game. I haven't played Zelda Breath of the Wild, but I wonder if it'll feel like that. I'm not sure. It's going to have some RPG elements, but for the most part, it's just going to be like an open world action game. As you can see, I actually have no idea how to 3D model, hence my character looking super janky. And those are supposed to be glasses. So, yeah, I got some work to do. Also, quick, is it worth it? This is a free asset, and it is not worth it. This thing has, like, it's a medieval Scandinavian thing, and it has no colliders in any of the right places. Like, I can go through here, there, like, it's just super janky. But it still looks nice, so it's going to be a placeholder. I'm probably going to get some Cinti assets and finish designing my character. Not sure if I'm going to use mine or a Cinti one. But yeah. Oh, and what I was trying to show earlier is that if you jump off of them, you'll actually be able to go through them for a second, so you can only do like a little bit of damage at a time. And that's about it. I'm going to try to get better at devlogs and keep you guys up to date on this project. Don't worry, we're still going to be doing everything else that we've been working on, including the JTA Game Jams. Speaking of which, links for those in the description, and I'll see you later.